More than 60% of Home City destroyed. More than 800,000 people displaced. It's not only the stone destroyed, humanity there destroyed beside that. Because I faced the situation during the war, I faced the death many times. I swear that I will make my mission to help people when I'm safe.
هلا جايين نحن منطقة اسمها باب دريب بحمص القديمة. هو بيت عربي مؤلف بس من طابق أرضي. هي أحد الغرف، رح نفوت هلا غرفة من الغرف.
There's more than 64,000 families outside their destroyed flats and stores and properties, and they couldn't come back to rebuild. They need help. They need to come back right now.
مرحبا، كيفك؟ تعرفنا عن حضرتك؟
أنا نجيب بعلبكي، ابن محمد نجيب بعلبكي.
Families, 6 persons, they rent flat and they pay high rent. The father is suffering because 6 years now not working. Architectural post will try to help him to revive and rebuild his property.
ما كان فيها الضرب الكتير قاسي، لأنه معظمه كان ضمن حارات ضيقة ومثل تقول سواريب. عرفت علي كيف؟
أيوة.
يعني حارات ضيقة وزقات.
The architectural post is an online crowdfunding platform helping displaced people to revive and rebuild their crisis war-torn cities. It connects local people in destroyed area with people all over the world to help them by donations or lending or investing.
مهدمة جايتها قذيفة أدت لهذا الضرر. صار الموضوع شوي غير سليم إنشائيا، ما هيك أستاذ؟
When you have destroyed flats, for instance, in Home City, you will connect with the engineers. He will study this flat and submit this flat in our platform. When it's following the rule, will be online immediately and start to connect with all over the people all over the world to collect the money. You can spend €1 million for the street, but what the value when it's empty? You have to connect with people to convince them to work together again. We believe that everybody, especially in homes in Arabic world, we have a lot of relatives and friends. This relative can send money transparently and can see what's happened transparently, and everybody in the world can see transparently what's happened. Engineers will collect documents, and then we have everybody in the world has opportunity to support when he needs support. When you have flat in destroyed area all over the world, and you would like to help, you don't know how to help because just you are donation for programs. But here in architectural post, we will focus in every details and every single story for the owner of properties, so you know exactly what he needs. همست في أذني وقالت ما لي أراك متيما في هواها وتنساني تعشق منها كل شيء يا ظالمي وهي لي منك ضرة أفلا تهواني. For me, Home City, old Home City, always in my poems I writing and write like a woman, and I am in love with this woman. حمص يا غاليتي لا تفارق أشفاني ولي معها موعد. 10 years before the war, it was very pretty city. It was very clean and arranged. It's one of the best cities in Middle East. فنبضها في قلبي يحميني ويرعاني. I decided to study architecture because I love Home City, old Home City especially. My father also is real estate. He has a real estate company, and he spent his life to construct buildings. In 2014, in July, when it's allowed for people to come back partly to their destroyed area to see what's happened, I launched the first initiatives called Elda Plan Street. The initiatives try to convince people and to support and to help and to connect people together again to come back and reopen their store and flats. Because we succeed in these initiatives, bad people belong for all parties, don't want this war to end. They threat me and try to kill me. I decided to come to Germany, and I carried in my shoulder that I have to continue reviving home city with society there. Berlin is inspiring anybody to discover how they succeed to make their future after the Second War. There's area destroyed totally and the country divided. These people here decided to restart their life, to be among the first countries in the world. The launch this project from Berlin, from the city which succeed this experience. That's bring hope because there's people here understand the suffering, understand what we can do, understand the steps. We were before the war working like designing and decorating and trying to be architects. War change anybody, must change anybody he love his country. Now we are working in a real architect. We are working to help people. So now I feel there's more value in my life than before because there's a mission. So I believe we will succeed in this.